Hi all my lovely foodies, it's CiCi here. Today we're gonna make something super delicious and yummy, beef short ribs. Let's get started! In a pot over high heat, add the extra light olive oil. Transfer in the beef short ribs. Cook until browned for about 6 minutes. We're gonna take them out and set aside. Now we're gonna slice the ginger. Slice the onion into cubes. I got this amazing cutting board from my friend in Europe. You can even customize anything on it. Just in case you might be interested in it, I'll put a link in the description box. Also cut the potatoes into 1-inch pieces. Now we're going back to the same pot, and over medium heat, we're gonna transfer in the ginger and onion and stir fry until aromatic for about 1 minute. Also put in the cinnamon and star anise and cook for 30 seconds. Put in the tomato paste. And let it cook for another 2 minutes. Over high heat, pour the chicken stock into the pot. And season with soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine. I totally forgot to hit record when I put the Shaoxing wine inside. But believe me, it is inside. Rock sugar. And bay leaves. Give it a good mix. And bring it to a boil. Now we're gonna return the beef short ribs and bring it to a boil. Turn to low heat and simmer for 2 hours. We can skim off the fat on the top. Transfer in the potatoes and carrots. And continue to simmer for another 40 minutes. I must say that today's recipe is just breathtaking. It's shockingly delicious. When you eat it, instantly just melt inside your mouth. It just disappears. It's like cloud. It's like marshmallow. It's just so good. It's full of flavors, so delicious. I hope that everyone also enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see everyone again next Friday for another awesome recipe. So bye for now.